Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a simple mod that I think is really going to change the look and enhance the look of this truck. And that right there is the 50 cal bullet antenna. It's going to go on the truck today. And it's going to replace this tall factory 1999 looking antenna. I don't know why Ford still put these on their trucks, but this has got to go. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this. It has on the back, it has some screw or some bolts depending on what kind of truck you have. So this can fit pretty much any truck. It has garments or rubber garments as well. So these all fit every kind of truck. So we're going to figure out which one fits on this. And we're going to need a wrench to take that off. And I'll show you guys how to install this today. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and put this on the truck. Alright, first thing we're going to do, take our wrench. We're going to go ahead and start taking this off because you cannot get it with your hand. It's just not going to happen. So, shoot. This thing's got to be like 2 feet tall. So, boom, this is off. Show you what it looks like. And this has got to be like 2 feet tall. So let's go ahead and put that on the ground. Let's go ahead and open this box. I have some scissors, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so here it is. It comes with a rubber grommet. I'm not going to use that because I don't have enough threading on the bolts. So let me show you them. So I have them all right here, and we're going to test fit all of them to figure out which one's going to fit in this hole right here. So first what we have to do is we have to figure out which one of these fits here, and then we'll be able to fit it into the hole. It's going to look like this. It's going to look sick. And it is like a carbon fiber kind of look. You can see it's kind of hard to see with the lighting. So let's go ahead and figure out which one works. So we're gonna test fit pretty much all of them. There's actually quite a lot too. Let's go ahead, take this. This is if you want it to be like tall like that. I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use just the threading. We just have to figure out which threading fits which. So that one. Oops. That one does not fit. The tricky thing is trying to figure out which threading goes to which. So that's not one. Does it go into this threading, go into there, or does that part go into there? And vice versa, which one goes into here? I think this one might be one of the winners. That actually fits very well, but I think the threading is too short. So let's see what comes close to that. See, that's too thick. How about this one? This one's too thin. It's like Goldilocks. It's just right. Does that fit? I think we have a winner. So go ahead and hand tighten this. And there we go. So let's see how that looks. So after testing all of these, it looks like we have a winner. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Just a subtle change, but hey, I think it looks a lot better than that 2-foot tall antenna. What do you guys think? This is it up close. I didn't put the rubber grommet because, where is it? This would have added a lot more to the thread, and I don't think I would have had enough thread to go ahead and thread it all the way down. Now we just have to check if the reception is good on it. And other than that, I think it looks really good. I like the carbon fiber on it. It looks pretty aggressive. I'll show you what it looks like from way back here. Yeah, definitely looks a lot better than the stupid 2-foot tall antenna. There you guys go. Super quick mod. It's like 30 bucks or 20 bucks for that. And because this, I mean, it just looks dated. It looks like it's old if I have the 2-foot tall antenna. That makes it look way more modern. It makes it look way more tough, in my opinion. So that's pretty much it, guys. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. If you found this video helpful, would you leave a like so that YouTube will share this with other people? And I'm sure the reception is good. I'm gonna go ahead and test that out too as well. But that's it for today. Thanks, guys. See y'all next video. Peace.